Welcome to our new series, Science versus Myths. The internet is full of health advice, from grandma's remedies to viral social media videos. But what's true, and what's a dangerous misconception? Today, we'll start separating fact from fiction and debunk 10 of the most popular health myths. Myth number 1, antibiotics cure the common cold and flu. What people believe. Many think that antibiotics are a universal cure that will help them recover faster from any cold or flu. What science says, antibiotics only work against bacteria. The common cold and flu are caused by viruses, which antibiotics have no effect on whatsoever. How we know this? The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention confirm that the misuse of antibiotics leads to the development of superbugs resistant to treatment. This is one of the biggest health threats in the world. The verdict? Taking antibiotics for a viral infection is like trying to put out a fire with gasoline. Useless and even harmful. Myth number 2. You need to drink 8 glasses of water a day. What people believe. There's a magic rule that everyone, without exception, must drink exactly 8 glasses of water daily for good health. What science says, water needs are individual. They depend on your weight, activity level, climate, and health condition. Plus, we get water from food, fruits, vegetables, and soups. How we know this? Studies have shown that our body perfectly regulates its water balance through the sensation of thirst. If your urine is a light yellow color, you're fine. The verdict? Drink when you're thirsty, not on a schedule. Your body is the best guide. Myth number 3. The brain only works at 10% capacity. What people believe. A popular myth from the movies claims that we use only a tiny fraction of our brain's potential. What science says, we use our entire brain almost constantly. Even during sleep, most of its regions remain active. How we know this? Modern scanning methods like MRI show activity in all areas of the brain throughout the day. Even the simplest actions engage multiple zones. The verdict? Your brain works at 100% capacity. The real question is how productively. Myth number 4. Vitamin C prevents colds. What people believe. If you take megadoses of vitamin C, you can avoid colds altogether, or get over one in a single day. What science says. Regular intake of vitamin C may only slightly shorten the duration of a cold, by about 8% in adults, but it cannot prevent the illness itself. How we know this? A massive review of 29 studies involving over 11,000 participants showed a minimal effect. The verdict? Vitamin C is certainly beneficial, but it's not a magic pill for a runny nose. Myth number 5. Reading in the dark ruins your eyesight. What people believe. Reading in poor light can irreversibly damage your eyes and make you go blind. What science says. Reading in the dark causes severe eye strain and discomfort, but it does not lead to permanent physical damage to your vision. How we know this? The American Academy of Ophthalmology confirms that eye strain is temporary. The structure of your eye does not change from a lack of light. The verdict? Turn on the light for comfort, not for fear of ruining your eyesight forever. Myth number 6. Stress causes stomach ulcers. What people believe. Stomach ulcers are an illness of nervous and busy people. What science says. Almost all ulcers are caused by either the bacterium Helicobacter pylori or the long-term use of painkillers like aspirin. Stress can worsen the symptoms, but it is not the root cause. How we know this? The discovery of this bacterium's role earned a Nobel Prize in 2005. It changed the treatment of ulcers forever. The verdict? Stress doesn't burn holes in your stomach, but bacteria certainly can. Myth number 7. Organic food is completely free of pesticides. What people believe. The organic label means a product was grown in pristine conditions without any chemicals. What science says. Organic farming uses pesticides too. They are just from natural sources, not synthetic ones. Some of these can also be toxic. How we know this? Studies show that pesticide residues are present in organic products, although in smaller amounts. The verdict. Organic doesn't mean chemical-free, it means different chemicals. Myth number 8. Microwaves kill nutrients. What people believe. Cooking food in a microwave destroys all the vitamins and makes the food dead and harmful. What science says, it's the opposite. Microwaves cook food faster and at lower temperatures. This actually preserves more nutrients than long boiling or frying sessions. How we know this? Studies from Harvard have shown that the short cooking time in a microwave preserves vitamins better than traditional methods. The verdict: your microwave is your broccoli's friend, not its enemy. Myth number 9. If you have no symptoms, you are healthy. What people believe: if nothing hurts and nothing bothers you, then everything is perfectly fine with your body. What science says: many dangerous diseases are completely asymptomatic in their early stages. For example, diabetes, hypertension, high cholesterol, and even some types of cancer. How we know this? Data from the World Health Organization proves that regular checkups and screenings save millions of lives annually by detecting diseases before symptoms appear. The verdict: silence isn't always golden. Sometimes it's an alarm bell you simply can't hear. Myth number 10. A vegan diet is automatically healthier. What people believe: completely giving up animal products is a guarantee of health and longevity. What science says: a vegan diet can be very healthy, but not automatically. French fries, chips, and soda are technically vegan products. Without proper planning, it's easy to become deficient in vitamin B12, iron, and calcium. How we know this? Nutritional science journals confirm that the benefits of veganism depend on a diverse diet, not just on cutting out meat. The verdict: being vegan is a conscious choice. But health requires more than just a plant-based sticker. 10 popular myths debunked. From antibiotics to microwaves, the truth is always more fascinating than the rumors. Science is always evolving, and what seemed true yesterday may be a myth tomorrow. That's why it's crucial to stay curious and check your sources. If you learned something new, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with those who are still afraid to read in the dark. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode.